The baby chickies are here. These are the quietest chicks I've ever heard. They're very quiet. So, I just open the box. The chickies. There we go. Oh. Okay. These are the quietest baby chickies ever. Put your beak in the water. Come on, baby chickie. Come on, baby chickie. That's water. Okay? There you go. That one. There you go. Oh my gosh, you guys are so calm. If you're cold, there's a heater over here. Okay? Here, your friends are coming. Oh my gosh, you're so adorable. Everybody get a drink. You look like you guys need a drink. I forgot to put sugar. This one looks pretty lively. What do you think? Everybody's like, oh, we've had a rough ride, Mom. Okay, we've had a rough ride, Mom. Did you get a drink? They're very quiet. All stuck together. Scared little ones. There you go. They have green on their head. They were vaccinated. So definitely not as lively as the ducklings. You guys, there you go. I didn't put any sugar in their water. I think I'm going to make some new water up and put sugar in it. You guys look like you need a boost. Little ones. They look sleepy. They look like they're half asleep. Need a drink. Come on, you guys need a drink. There. That one's going to go over to the... Go ahead, peck at that little one. Peck at it, little one. I didn't count. Oh no, I better count. Quick. Before they start running around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. 17. 18. There should be 25, by the way. 18. 19. I don't know about this guy. Doesn't look right. 20. Nobody's drinking. It's kind of worrying me. 21. 22. 22. They seem kind of slow.
Oh no.
But they're very quiet.
They're big.
23.
Little guys.
24. You're not drinking.
Oh no.
25. Here, little one. Oh, you gotta get a drink. Ah, maybe I need to fill it up more. 25.
Those seem kind of dry.
Okay. Well, got one more. 26. Oh, it attacked me. The feisty one. The last one. Oh, come back here. Make sure you get some water. All right. I'll fill it up some more here. Look out, little one.
Just show them how to use the other one.
No, but I will do that now. I'm gonna. That one's eating, at least.
One's pooping.
Yeah, there was one that really didn't look very well. Maybe this one?
The one with the green head?
No, this one, I think. They were vaccinated. Okay, I'll try to teach them to use this one now. Drink, drink, drink. And then I'll put them under the heater. No, because I want to be back with my friends. Drink, drink, drink.
Oh, baby birds.
Well, if you guys aren't going to stay under the heater, there you go. And I just keep putting them under the heater. They look really slow. I don't know, but some of them are eating.
Yeah.
So. Now they're getting louder.
Very loud.
Well, they were quiet at first. It was weird.
Why are they so squished up?
This one's they're just trying to keep warm. That's why I'm like, well, if you go under the heater. Okay.
That's what the green is, the vaccine?
Well, they had a vaccination for the coccidiosis, and they also had a Merrick's vaccination, and they also had, or maybe that's it. They had two different ones, so. One of them is on their beak. You see the tip of their beak? That's how they mark it. So maybe the green is for the other one. Must be the Merrick's on the beak. I don't know. I don't know 100%. Get you guys to drink. Come on, you need to drink. Put you under the heater. Maybe I'll move this closer to the heater. There, this one. There. Now come on, little ones. See? Come here, little ones. Do you think they're big? You think they're tiny? They're little tiny. Little tiny.
Little tiny wings.
Oh. There you go. Drink. That's it. That one got a drink.
Those poor baby birds.
26. Little chicks.
Got an extra.
Yes.
Hope they all make it.
Well, they made it all here. No dead ones in the box. Made it this far. Here, little one. I didn't put any sugar in the water, so I'm going to put some in. Give them a little extra energy. Extra. There you go. This one's got it. Peck at it again. No, don't peck at the brick. Peck at this. Peck at this. There you go. That's a good chickie. That's a good chickie. Peck, peck, peck. Go under the heater, everybody. And you'll be nice and warm. under the heater. You should all be able to fit under there. The ducklings fit. They're bigger than you. Snuggle together.
You see Benjamin?
Yep.
Is he on the porch?
No, he's under the tree.
Oh, where Cooper likes to hang out.
Yeah. Who's peeping loudly? Who's peeping loudly?
These poor birdies.
Who is that? That's what I remember. The loud peeping.
They're coming around.
Yeah. I hope so. Okay. I'm just going to keep trying to give you guys some water. That one's getting around. This is a little tiny one. Oh, this one's got a lot of kick. There you go. Go under there and sleep, little ones. Yeah? You must have got a double dose. Got a lot of green on you. Sleepy? You could just... There you go. Take a drink. Don't peck at that one. This one's trying, these guys are trying to sleep. Okay. Wow, I've never seen him not drinking. Little one. Come on, I know you must be thirsty. I'll move your water closer. Okay? That one's getting around. I'll move this closer. Whoops. And I'm going to put some sugar in it. There you go, little ones. Okay. I'll leave that there. Okay. Yes. Yes. Drink, little one. Drink. Did you get something? Alright. They just seem really sleepy. A bunch of them are trying to take a nap. So I guess we'll let them be for a little bit. I'm going to put some sugar in their water. They're so cute. They're called Novogen. It's different. They're a red sex link. The ones we have now are gold sex link kind. So, okay. Bye, baby chickies. Let you get some rest in your big travels.